Have you ever wondered about the various uses of bicarbonate soda? This humble compound, also known as baking soda, has a rich history dating back to ancient Egyptian times, where it was used in the manufacturing of paint and cosmetics. Fast forward to the present day, and you'll find bicarbonate soda in almost every household, asserting its versatility in numerous ways. From the kitchen to the bathroom and even extending to the garden, this white crystalline powder has ingrained itself into our daily lives. It's not just a rising agent in your muffins and cookies, or a handy tool in extinguishing a small kitchen fire. No, the story of bicarbonate soda goes much further, encompassing a variety of health and wellness benefits, household uses and even applications for fruits and vegetables. Intrigued? You should be. Now let's delve into the myriad of uses and benefits this humble compound offers. Did you know that bicarbonate soda can act as a natural antacid? This humble pantry staple has many surprising health benefits, beginning with its ability to neutralize stomach acid. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of indigestion or heartburn, a spoonful of bicarbonate soda in water can offer quick relief, acting as a buffer against excess acid in your stomach. But the benefits of bicarbonate soda extend far beyond the digestive system. It's also a secret weapon for maintaining oral health. Its mild abrasive properties make it a natural toothpaste, helping to scrub away plaque without damaging your teeth. And as a mouthwash, it can neutralize the acidic conditions that promote tooth decay, keeping your smile bright and healthy. When it comes to skin care, bicarbonate soda is a gentle yet effective exfoliant. It helps to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, promoting a clearer, more radiant complexion. And if you're ever unfortunate enough to be on the receiving end of an insect bite, a paste of bicarbonate soda and water can soothe itching and reduce inflammation. Bicarbonate soda can even contribute to heart health. Some studies suggest it supports a more alkaline environment in the body, which may have potential benefits for the heart. And for those who engage in intense workouts, bicarbonate soda is sometimes used as a supplement to buffer lactic acid accumulation, potentially enhancing exercise performance. However, this should always be done under proper guidance due to potential side effects. And let's not forget its role as a natural deodorant. Some people apply bicarbonate soda directly to the skin or incorporate it into DIY deodorant recipes. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to stay fresh without relying on commercial products. As you can see, bicarbonate soda plays a significant role in maintaining our health and wellness. Whether you're looking to soothe an upset stomach, maintain oral health, improve your complexion, or even enhance your exercise performance, this versatile compound has a place in your wellness routine. It's yet another testament to the power of simple natural remedies in supporting our well-being. Beyond health, bicarbonate soda also shines in the household. This versatile compound is a veritable Swiss Army knife of home solutions, from personal hygiene to cleaning and beyond. Let's delve into a few of its remarkable uses. One surprising use of bicarbonate soda is as a deodorant. Yes, you heard it right. Some people apply it directly to the skin or incorporate it into DIY deodorant recipes. Its natural ability to neutralize odors can keep you feeling fresh and confident throughout the day. But the magic of bicarbonate soda doesn't stop at personal care. It's an effective and eco-friendly cleaning agent as well. Bicarbonate soda can tackle various surfaces, from kitchen countertops to bathroom tiles and even stubborn stains. Its gentle abrasive properties make it an ideal scrub, and its alkaline nature can dissolve dirt and grease with ease. And if you thought laundry was a chore, bicarbonate soda might just change your mind. Adding bicarbonate soda to your laundry can enhance the effectiveness of your detergent and neutralize odors. Your clothes will come out of the wash looking brighter, smelling fresher, and feeling softer. It's not just our clothes that can benefit from bicarbonate soda. Our feet can too. If you're dealing with the pesky symptoms of athlete's foot, bicarbonate soda may offer some relief. Used in foot soaks or applied topically, it can help alleviate itching and burning, offering a natural solution to a common problem. In these ways and more, bicarbonate soda proves itself to be more than just a baking essential. From acting as a natural deodorant to boosting your laundry and offering relief from athlete's foot, it's a cost-effective, eco-friendly and versatile addition to any home. Remember, while bicarbonate soda is generally safe for many uses, it's always important to test it on a small area first, especially when applying it to your skin or using it on delicate surfaces. With such versatility, bicarbonate soda proves to be an indispensable part of any home. Our fruits and vegetables also benefit from bicarbonate soda. It's a statement that might surprise some, but when you delve into the diverse uses of this humble compound in our kitchens and gardens, it's clear to see why. Let's start with pesticide residue removal. Soaking fruits and vegetables in a solution of bicarbonate soda and water can help dissolve some of the pesticide residues. This is a natural and cost-effective way to cleanse our produce and make it safer to consume. But the benefits don't stop there. Bicarbonate soda can also extend the freshness of certain fruits and vegetables. It does this by slowing down the ripening process, giving us more time to enjoy our produce at its peak. When it comes to cleaning, bicarbonate soda is a champ. It has the ability to remove dirt, waxes and contaminants from the surface of our fruits and vegetables. This promotes a cleaner and safer eating experience, ensuring we get the most out of the nutrients within. Turning to the garden, bicarbonate soda can be used to alkalize soil. This helps regulate pH levels, creating a more alkaline environment that some plants prefer for optimal growth. It's a simple and eco-friendly way to boost the health and yield of our gardens. Mold prevention is another valuable use of bicarbonate soda. Sprinkling it on produce or storing them in a solution can inhibit the growth of mold, extending the shelf life of our fruits and vegetables. And who knew that bicarbonate soda could also enhance our culinary experiences? By soaking certain vegetables in it, we can reduce their bitterness, making them more palatable. Additionally, it may help neutralize acidic residues on fruits and vegetables, enhancing their flavor and reducing potential acidity. In all these ways, bicarbonate soda enriches our relationship with fruits and vegetables, making them safer, more enjoyable, and even more delicious to consume. It's a simple, affordable, and versatile tool that has a place in every kitchen and garden. Bicarbonate soda truly is a boon for our fruits and vegetables. So, we've learned quite a lot about bicarbonate soda today, haven't we? From health and wellness to household uses, and even its benefits for fruits and vegetables, it's clear that this humble compound has a myriad of applications. Let's take a moment to recap. We discovered that bicarbonate soda boasts antacid properties, providing relief from indigestion and heartburn. We also learned that it's a champion for oral health, acting as a natural toothpaste or mouthwash. And let's not forget its role in skincare as a gentle exfoliant, or its power to soothe insect bites and act as a natural deodorant. Next, we delved into the household applications of bicarbonate soda. We learned about its efficacy as an eco-friendly cleaner, tackling various surfaces and stubborn stains with ease. We also discussed how it can be a game changer in your laundry routine, freshening clothes and boosting the effectiveness of detergents. And who knew that it could provide relief from athlete's foot? In terms of our diet, we found out that bicarbonate soda could potentially support heart health and enhance exercise performance, although this latter use requires careful guidance to avoid potential side effects. Our journey of discovery didn't stop there. We explored the benefits of bicarbonate soda for fruits and vegetables. From removing pesticide residues to extending freshness, enhancing cleaning, alkalizing soil, preventing mold, reducing bitterness and neutralizing acidic residue, bicarbonate soda certainly has a lot to offer in this sphere. Throughout this journey, the importance and wide-ranging uses of bicarbonate soda have become abundantly clear. It's a simple, cost-effective and all-natural solution for many everyday challenges. From health and wellness to household chores and the care of our fruits and vegetables, bicarbonate soda is indeed a versatile ally. So, the next time you come across bicarbonate soda, remember the wealth of benefits it holds. And don't hesitate to experiment with its uses. After all, who knows what other potentials this humble compound might have? Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's continue this journey of learning and discovery together. Thank you for spending time with us today. We hope you found this journey into the world of bicarbonate soda enlightening. It's truly remarkable how one simple compound can offer such a wide array of uses. From health and wellness to our daily household chores. And let's not forget its benefits for our fruits and vegetables. It's not just a staple in our pantry, but a versatile tool that can make our lives healthier and easier. We've just scratched the surface. There's so much more to explore. So don't miss out on our upcoming content that delves deeper into the world of health, wellness, and sustainable living. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. As we wrap up, let's remember that every bit of knowledge we gain empowers us to make better choices. So keep learning, keep exploring. Remember, knowledge is power. See you in the next video.